Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 13th of November 2018. Starting off with the pound, this was lower during Monday's session, heading towards the 76% retracement. Didn't quite get there, bit of a bounce on the overnight. So let's have a look at this in a bit more detail. So here you see prices moving lower. For yesterday, they found a bit of support down towards the S2 there, where 95% of the time the market will stop. Market reverse, came back above the 128.50, traded sideways and then moved sharply higher just before the end of the session that we actually look at, before reversing and moving lower again. So we'll see a bit of dollar news there moving the markets. US back to normal today, and really there's only the one item, the average earnings index 3-month UK. This is to show an increase of 0.3 from the previous. We'll wait and see what happens there. Meanwhile, in the Dow, this moving low. We'll start with the daily chart. You can see there yesterday it was all the way down after starting to move to the upside, and the price is reversing and finding a bit of support at the 20-bar moving average yesterday and on the overnight as well. Market will also be at a rolling 76% from here to here. You can see this as you move back, as the market comes down, and then eventually you'll use this one, which will give you a 76% in this area. So the market finding support there, no surprise. And then you can see from the start, below all three averages, below the low of Friday, and then the market just moving lower, 400 points lower. And then you can expect a bit of a bounce because of the plunge protection team or the shorts covering and then creating some buying in the futures market as well. So we can see that, but eventually continuing to move lower on the overnight, but having found a bit of support at the moment. So before, they don't want this market down. They're going to do whatever they can to bring it back. It's going to be interesting to see how they can, having come back to 76% of this move, because that's a defining area. So what I would be looking for here now is this market to come back 76% here, 26.053, fail there, and then we could see the market doing this. But we have got generally the seasonal pattern of the Santa rally, and also I did see yesterday on Zero Hedge that traders are going to get the biggest bonus they've ever had this year. Now that usually coincides with everything falling apart as well after, when they have the largest bonuses. But we'll have to wait and see. At the moment, they still want to keep the illusion alive that everything is fine in the stock market, so we'll see. Meanwhile, Bitcoin sideways on the short side at the moment. Needs to break the 76% retracement from here to here, and a failure to do this will see the market continue sideways to higher there. Okay, that's it for this morning's roundup. Nothing else really to report. Everything seems to be a decent amount of volatility in both the Dow and the pound. Nothing in the Bitcoin market at the moment. Okay, that's it. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.